Hey there, crypto enthusiasts! If you've ever delved into the world of cryptocurrencies, you've probably come across the term white paper. But what exactly is a white paper? And why should you care? Today, I'm breaking it down for you, so you know exactly what to look for when analyzing a cryptocurrency white paper. First off, a white paper is essentially a document that outlines the technical details and the purpose of a new cryptocurrency project. Think of it as the blueprint that explains how the project works and what it aims to achieve. Now, let's dive into the key elements of a white paper. Number 1, the abstract. This is usually the first section you'll encounter. It gives you a brief summary of the project, outlining its goals and the problem it aims to solve. If the abstract doesn't catch your interest, it might be a red flag. Second, the problem statement. Here, the team should clearly identify the issue they're aiming to address. Look for a well-defined problem. Vague statements can indicate a lack of direction. Next up, the solution. This section explains how the project plans to solve the problem. Pay attention to the technology and methods proposed. Are they feasible? Do they offer a genuine innovation? Moving on, the tokenomics. This part covers the economics of the cryptocurrency, including how the tokens are distributed, the total supply, and any plans for future development. It's crucial to understand the economic model to assess the project's long-term viability. Another important section is the roadmap. A good white paper will include a clear timeline of milestones and future goals. This helps you gauge the project's progress and commitment. Finally, the team. The credibility of the team behind the project is paramount. Look for detailed bios and relevant experience. A strong, transparent team can mean the difference between success and failure. In summary, when reading a white paper, focus on the abstract, problem statement, solution, tokenomics, roadmap, and the team. These elements will give you a comprehensive understanding of the project's potential. So, next time you come across a new cryptocurrency, give its white paper a thorough read. Happy investing and stay informed. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more crypto insights. Catch you in the next video.